Hello everyone, this is Victor's Analytics Hub, and I'll show you how to highlight a cell or a row based on if a checkbox is selected. In this tutorial, we're going to be working on the Developers tab. And if you don't have this Developers tab on your Microsoft, all you have to do is just to head over to Files, then Options, then you're going to hit Customize Ribbon. Then you will check and make sure your Developers tab is checked. After that, you hit OK. All right, so let me head over to my developers tab. Now, what I want to do next is I want to insert my checkboxes into these cells. So I head over to insert under the developers tab, hit my checkbox, drag to create, then and I delete these captions inside this checkbox. Then I resize my checkbox and drag it to the middle. Okay, then I drag down. Now I want to assign a cell to this checkbox. I want to assign these checkboxes to their individual cells. Okay, so there are two ways to do that, and I'm going to show you both ways. The first method is just to right click, format controls, cell link. I want to link it with cell A3, then I hit OK. Then the second method is just like right click, head over to your formula bar, hit equals to, then the cell. Okay, then I'll do this. I prefer this method more. Equal to, because it's faster. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to color code these cells red, which means incomplete. Now these tasks I've not yet done them. Okay, it's already in red. Okay, no, not this color. So this red signifies that the tasks are not yet completed, and when they do get completed, if I hit the checkbox, I want them to turn green. Okay, and for me to do that, I need to under my home tab. What do I keep clicking? Let me remove this. Under my home tab, I head over to conditional formatting, new rules. Okay, and I'm going to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then over here, I click A3 equals true. Then I head over to format. Then under my format cells, if there is numbers, fonts, borders, and fill, I head over to my fill. Then I check the green color. Then I hit OK. Now, if I check this cell, it turns green. Now, notice that these cells, if I'm checking them right now, they are not showing, they are not giving me any color. That's because I've not really done anything on them. And for me to do something about that, I need to come over to my conditional formatting, manage rules, and right over here, I can show formatting for this entire worksheet. Okay. Then I come over to my apply to, then I change the range. Then I select this entire range. Then I hit OK. Now, notice the mistake here. Notice that if I unselect this my first checkbox, everything turns red. Turns red. If I select it again, everything turns green. Now, this is the mistake a lot of people make when using this. Now, I'm going to show you a way to correct it. I head over to my conditional formatting, manage rules. Now, this right over here, where we wrote our formula, I'm going to take out this dollar sign before the 3. I'm going to take it out. Then I hit OK. Now, this is no longer an absolute reference. It's now a relative reference. Now, if you want to extend this color to the rest of the columns, you head over to your conditional formatting, manage rules. Then here, then I increase my array. Wow. I just have to select. Then I hit OK. Now, if a task is not yet complete, the entire cell. Now, if a task gets completed, the style set turns green. Then I'm going to take this out just for visual purposes. Let me hide it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please like and subscribe this video.